Paano ba dapat tanggapin ng publiko itong nangyari sa Senate leadership, Prof. Ano?
I, I think people should call it out. It's blatant power grab. It's blatant power grab. Kung titingnan mo, hindi naman nagalaw yung siyam na minority, wala namang nag-desert sa kanila, walang desertion. Ang tanungin natin na pagpaliwanagin natin, yung apat na nagbago, ng isip, ang bumaliktad. Tanungin natin si Loren Legarda, tanungin natin si Pia Cayetano, tanungin natin yung magpapatid na Villar. And of course, you already have a hypothesis why sila sumama. But I think they have to explain. They owe an explanation to us. I think this to four should be asked by media. Bakit kayo bumaliktad? Ano ang nag-push sa inyo? What changed?
Pero hindi ba, Prof, medyo dangerous tong game ang ginagawa nila dyan sa Senado? Because maybe yung una, sa panahon ni Senate President Chis Escudero, na idaan pa sa technicality. Pero ito, parang there is no stumbling block anymore based on the Supreme Court's decision. Basta ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court, basta gawin nyo to in a reasonable time. Wala naman sinabing decision nyo kung gagawin nyo to o hindi. And if they don't go through with this, very obvious na ang ginagawa ng Senate. So baka that might be a tipping point for a lot of the people.
Oh yes, I think so. And lalo na i-overlay mo pa dyan yung ginawa nila kay Beto de la Rosa. Imagine mo yung image na yung mga drug suspect na kapag ang laging ginagawang excuse, nandaban o kaya trying to evade arrest. Pero ngayon, itong Senado, they're cuddling their own. They're helping in a member avoid arrest. Diba? Tapos gagamitan pa nila ng excuses na hindi daw pwedeng i-arresta ang siyang senador habang nakasession. That's wrong. That's not true. Because in the Constitution, you only have that privilege if the imprisonment will not exceed 6 years.
Yes.
Crimes against humanity, it could even be reclusion perpetua or even death in some jurisdiction. So I don't know where these people are getting their and besides yung issue ng RA 9851 na meron tayong batas na nagsasabi na kapag ang isang Pilipino ay meron ng sakdal sa isang sa international tribunal ay obligado tayo, pwede nating i-surrender na lang, hindi naman kailangan huwes dito ang mag-issue ng warrant kasi nakalagay naman sa saligang batas and a warrant issued by a judge.
Yes,
There is
that's
no
right.
mention of whether the judge should be local or international.